Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a student, you know the struggle is real. We're constantly drowning in essays, research papers, and complex math problems. What if I told you there's a secret weapon that can help you conquer your studies? And the best part is, you don't even need to create an account or log in. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on what I think is the single best AI website for students that you can start using right now, completely hassle-free. So, what is this magical website? It's called U.com. Now, I know what you're thinking, another AI search engine, right? But stick with me, because U.com is so much more than that. It's designed with students in mind, combining the power of a search engine with a suite of incredible AI tools. Imagine having a personal research assistant, a writing partner, and a coding expert all in one place, ready to help you 24/7 without asking for your email. Let's dive into what makes it so powerful for your academic life. The standout feature for me is the UChat function. It's like having a super smart tutor who can explain complex topics in simple terms. From the causes of the French Revolution to the principles of quantum mechanics. It provides cited sources with its answers, which is an absolute game changer for avoiding plagiarism and easily building your bibliography. No more scrambling to find where you got that one piece of information. But it doesn't stop at research. Are you stuck on a creative writing assignment or need to draft a professional email to your professor? The UWrite tool is your new best friend. It can help you brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, summarize long articles, and even rephrase your sentences to sound more academic and polished. Think of it as a writing coach that helps you overcome writer's block and refine your work, saving you hours of frustration and staring at a blank page. And for my fellow STEM students, you are going to love this. The platform integrates a UCode feature that can help you write, debug, and explain code in various programming languages. Whether you're just starting with Python or tackling a complex Java project, it can provide code, snippets, fix errors, and walk you through the logic step by step. It's like having a senior developer on call to help you understand difficult programming concepts and get your assignments done on time. The best part, as I mentioned, is the accessibility. You can just go to the website and start using these powerful features immediately. There are no sign-up forms, no password creations, and no free trials that suddenly expire. This focus on privacy and ease of use makes it the perfect go-to tool for a quick study session or a deep dive into a research project. So go ahead, give U.com a try for your next assignment and see how it revolutionizes your study workflow. It's a one-stop shop that can genuinely make your student life easier, more efficient, and a lot less stressful. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it, or if you have another favorite AI tool that helps you with your studies. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you succeed. I'll see you in the next one.